This coolant pipe was actually missing from the car, so I managed to source one from Nottingham, actually from eBay. So I took a drive up a week or so ago. It's quite crusty, corroded, but I've just spent, I don't know, a little while polishing half of it, and you'll see the difference from a little bit of effort shortly. So this is as I under a lot of bonnets that you open, old classic cars, you see a lot of oxidation, corrosion, pitting, really quite bad. But the magic is, with a little bit of polishing, you can bring it back to this condition, and there's no rocket science in there. So I use a little wire brush kit on a Dremel to get rid of the majority of the oxidation, and then a polishing wheel with some different polishing compounds on a drill, and then just gradually polish away until all the oxidation is removed, and then you finish with a sort of chalky powder just to get rid of any residue. It's very satisfying. And I've also been working on the camshaft covers as well earlier today, and the cylinder head's finished in the correct shade of blue for this type of engine. So it's starting to take shape, and then the actual cylinder block is here as well. So I enjoy this part of the project, very rewarding, very satisfying, and taking it back to probably better than new condition in terms of the level of polishing that you can achieve relatively simply.